Okay, so last one that I kind of working in my series of evaluating for the inverse cosine of -1. So evaluating for the inverse cosine of -1, what I first need to do is make sure I kind of understand what exactly I'm trying to do. So I write a kind of function notation saying that the cosine of theta is equal to -1. So what angles, what essentially I'm asking here is what angle of theta, when I take the cosine of it, is going to equal 1. And that angle has to be within my range of 0 and pi. Because remember we talked about, we looked at the graph and flipped it, and then we restricted the range, yada, 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 maybe. Yeah, all right, well, maybe. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our range. It's going to restrict our angle from between in the first quadrant to the fourth quadrant. So remember, the cosine of an angle is dealing with your x coordinate. And so, especially on the unit circle. So what I want to do is determine between the first and the fourth second quadrant, when is my x value, for what angle is it equal to -1? And when looking at this, we could say that the inverse cosine of -1 is equal to the angle of pi, meaning the cosine of pi is equal to -1, which of course it is, and it falls within the range. So that's how we evaluate for the inverse cosine function. Thanks.